You may not be able to see me. So what we have to do when we are ready with this kind of trade, how to calculate the pips? First, we have to calculate the pips, right? So go to this measure, okay, this scale, click that and come from entry until stop loss. Okay, from blue line to red line I have dragged. I'm showing you once again so that you'll understand properly. Click this scale from blue line until here I clicked. Now you can see some few digits over here. 23.3. This is the digits which you have to focus. What does it mean? 23.3 means from blue line, from our entry point to stop loss, it is having a difference of 23.3 pips. To make it round, we will say our stop loss is 24 pips. So stop loss is 24 pips. From entry until target, how many pips we are going to capture if our target is getting hit? 66.3. Now let's say 66. If our target gets hit, we will be capturing 66 pips. Now, is it difficult for you to calculate pips? No, just go and take this scale. That's it. Okay. All right. So now you know how many pips you are going to capture and how many pips of stop loss. Now we have to go and calculate if my stop loss gets hit, what will be my loss? Where are we going to calculate? There are other manual ways which I don't want to add over here, okay, because we already have this something called pip calculator. Okay, pip calculator. So if you go to this page, I will share this link, forextime.com. There is something called pip calculator. You will come down, see, deposit currency USD, you just leave it as it is. For example, now I'm going to, which currency is this? I'm going to take trade at this entry point, GBP USD. So come here, pip calculator, click GBP USD. All right. Now you can see the next two options, trade size lots, pip amount. Now I have to first forget about target pips. We will focus on stop loss pips now. 24 pips. I will add here first 24 pips. Now you can see something called $480. What do you mean by that? It means if I take two lots in Exness or in my MT5 while I'm taking trade, if my stop loss gets hit, I will be in loss of $480. But do you remember or do you know how much is the amount we are going to take loss? It is just $20, isn't it? Where is it? Based on my capital over here, my capital is $1,000. Risk in percentage is 2%. I believe I'm right with this. Risk in amount $20. So $20 is the risk which I'm going to take. That is fixed. No one is going to change that. That is the system which I'm going to follow. So how many lots I have to take? Let's see. If I take one lot, what will be my loss? It is 240. It's still bigger. So there is something called 0 point where you can make it half of one lot. Say 0.50. If you take 0.50, you will be still in loss of $120. So I'll decrease it. Say 2.0. If I take 0.20 lot and if my pip amount, stop loss amount which we calculated based on our trade, we will be in loss of $48. I'll decrease it to $10. Now, sorry, it's not 10, 0.10 lot. If my stop loss gets hit, I'll be in loss of $24. What is my loss which I can take? $20. Say 0.8. Yes. If I take 0.8 lots in this trade, GBP USD, when I'm taking entry over here, and when I place my stop loss price at 22683, and if I take 0.08, and if my stop loss gets hit, I'll be in a loss of 19.2. This is where you will decide your lot size, which means quantity. Now what you will do, you will go to Exness. Let me take you to Exness also now. How much is the quantity which I have to take? You can see over here in pip calculator 0.08. So over here in lot you will type 0.08 and then you are going to click this buy. Now this is how you can decide your quantities, and if you are taking trade in Exness you can do this. Now you can take trade in MT5 also. Over there also you can execute, or you can execute over here in your laptop, exness.com. in your Xness platform or in your mobile Xness app also. You can go and download Xness app. You can see the same, almost same dashboard. This is how you can execute. Now the very important part is lot. You can never go above 0.08 lot based on your capital, based on your stop loss, based on your pip amount stop loss. Based on that, you won't be able to, or you shouldn't go higher than this lot. Okay. By now, I hope you have understood how to calculate your risk based on your capital. So here you will say stop loss will be like $20 and your target is, let's calculate just for a study purpose. What is my target pips? 66, right? So what will be my reward if I'm getting my reward? Let's check. 66. We will type 66 pips. And what is the lot which we have taken? 0.08. So if I gain or if I make profit, I'll make profit of $52. If I lose, I lose. Let me type here target or profit $52. So now we already know when we are taking trade what is my loss and what is my profit. You don't need to worry, you don't need to panic, you don't need to have fear because you already know. You already know about your $20 loss, and more than that I'm not going to take loss. Based on what? Based on this percentage. Now for percentage you can personally contact me and you can ask how much percentage you can take risk based on your account. If your account is at $300, if your account is $1,000, if it is above $1,000, because I follow one system, based on that I will be advising you the percentage also. Okay, I hope you now know that how to calculate pips, what is pips, and let's see in this one GBP JPY, one last example. Okay, imagine how to calculate pips. Imagine this is my entry point. I click here, this is my target. You can see here at the right hand side 26.8 is the pips. Pip. Okay, 26 pip. So imagine if I want to know that what is my risk and reward in GBP JPY, 26 pip, come here, click this GBP JPY is this one, say 26 pip, and now if I'm taking 0.08 and imagine this is my stop loss pips 26, this will be my loss. Now how much am I able to take loss? $20. Now I can increase the pip lot, say 9, say 10. Okay, now I can take 0.10 lot in GBP JPY. So all the currencies are here. Whenever you are taking entry to know how much quantities you have to take, you can come and type over here. Okay, I believe you have understood, and if you still have any doubts you can just leave me a message in WhatsApp. All right then guys.